How to install an air conditioner.
Step 1. Locate your air conditioner. It has been located. Step 2. Unpack your air conditioner. Unwrap your air conditioner completely. Prepare your desired location for the air conditioner. Firmly grasp and lift from the bottom, and then move to your desired location. Insert the air conditioner into your window, if that is where you want it.
Can we just put one of the things in? That's what we're gonna have to do. Why don't you take that one out?
And make sure it fits. Set it into the window, as with the lips all around, and then close the window, so that the lips of the air conditioner keep it in place against the window. Then you are going to spread these side accordion type things to keep in and out any air you don't want. You can also put in any insulation that would be needed, in case it does not fit properly. This will also keep out or in any air you desire. Then, plug in your air conditioner. Make sure it's very tight. Turn on your air conditioner. And feel the cool air. And the final step after installing your air conditioner. Play with the box. Because boxes are fun. And that is how you install an air conditioner.